right now, welcome to see Custom Designs. Apparently I'm at the end of my day, quarter after 7, upstate New York somewhere, and I am done with this. I don't know if it's going to stand fit there. And so I need to get this out to the polish shed and put some finish on it because it's so dry in the wood shop. So you'll recall that I pinned this together with 23 gauge pins and tape. So now we're going to just very carefully pry it from itself and pull those pins out. Figure I might as well show you this process, being that we talked about it. And you'll recall I wasn't completely convinced that just the tape, painter's tape, was going to hold everything in place. It certainly did its job. So now I'll simply come along with some pliers or something like this, and just pull every one of those pins out. So the tip for you is that if you use really light gauge pins, which was this unit here, the Airstrike. I had its cousin or is brother, sister, however you want to look at it. The one, I think that's the 18 gauge. And I gave that away to a neighbor who moved into the hood here. You know, the house that he moved into, he and his family. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, and he really appreciated receiving my old one. I used it. If you follow SC Custom Designs, I used it for years. And I'm finding these Ryobi tools to be pretty reliable for the price, for sure. So yeah, that was that. That's what I used to bring it together. So I'm going to go and, like I said, pull these pins, put some product on it so it stops cracking on me. I may have to, and I'm pretty sure. I saw some vulnerabilities. This bottom part here started to come apart. So I will glue that back together before I take it out. So that'll be just fine. And well, there you go. The next steps are to make the slats that are going to go between each board. So I'll probably, drill out the areas for the stock to go directly into. And once again, these units are going to be covered with fabric. Apparently it's going to be covered all the way up to there with fabric. This is the shelf area. And then down here, look how they complement each other. So down in the lower area here will also be fabric. No fabric. So fabric is from here to here, roughly. So, this area will be fastened to the bottom of the bed frame, which I made, I don't know how many years ago. King size bed frame. That was fun. Funny thing that, and then we'll end the video. Many years ago, I did a video on just hanging rope lights, and it's my #1 video that gets views. It's up to, I don't know, 93,000 views. So that was very interesting. You never know what people are interested in. And the tip that I had there was that the clips, they just break on you, that hold the rope light. So my tip was simple: just put it in warm water, and they become flexible. Then you can screw them in, and you're good to go. You put the rope light in, and it cools off and forms right around the rope. So yeah, that was that tip. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget about our, probably getting sick of hearing about this, but there's folks that are new to the channel. You can win this. March 2nd is the last day you can put in for it. Just go and look up the chestmate dovetail. And the official rules are in the video. All you really have to do is say, I want that. Thumbs up on the comment. So that's that. I'm going to be giving this and this away in 2021 as well. Take care. Thanks for watching. We get back to your comments, by the way, and your questions. So please feel free to leave them. Bye-bye now.